Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, power down, unplug the Optiplex, and press the power button to clear residual charge. This prevents shorts. Once done, ground yourself by touching the chassis or using a wrist strap because static kills components. Unscrew and remove the side panel and locate the GPU in the PCIe X16 slot toward the back. Make sure to note any power cables and the metal retention bracket holding the card. Those are the first connectors you will remove. Now you disconnect power and mounting hardware. First, unplug any 6-pin or 8-pin PCIe power leads. Press the clip and pull straight. This frees the card electrically. Next, remove the screw or screws that anchor the GPU bracket to the case. This frees it mechanically. Then, press the small PCIe slot latch while holding the card by its edges and pull the card straight out with a steady motion, because levering can damage the slot. Inspect the golden contacts and slot for debris, and set the card on an anti-static surface. Finish by reinstalling the empty slot cover or a replacement bracket, and then slide the side panel back on and tighten screws. Secure the chassis. Reconnect the power cable and boot into BIOS to confirm the machine posts and that the display is driven by your expected GPU or integrated graphics. If Windows boots, check Device Manager and uninstall any old GPU drivers if needed. Troubleshooting tip: if you get no video, power down and reset the card or test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.